Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import pre-built website templates and layouts for the Elementor WordPress plugin. This is an incredibly useful feature that can save you hours of design work by giving you professionally crafted starting points for your web pages. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar and click on Add New Page. This creates a fresh blank page that will transform using Elementor's powerful templates. After your new page is created, you'll see a button that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that to open up the Elementor editor interface. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look for the folder icon in the editor panel. This icon represents the Add Template function, and it's your gateway to accessing Elementor's entire library of pre-built designs. Click on this folder icon to open up the Template Library modal window. You'll notice that templates are organized into different categories to make browsing easier. You can select from categories like pages for full page layouts, blocks for individual sections, or even theme builder components if you need header or footer templates. Take a moment to explore these categories and see what's available to you. Once you've selected a category, start browsing through the pre-built templates that Elementor offers. The free version comes with a solid collection of templates, but here's something worth noting. If you upgrade to Elementor Pro, you'll unlock access to an even wider range of premium templates with more advanced designs and functionality. These Pro templates often include more sophisticated layouts and interactive elements that can really elevate your website's appearance. As you browse through the library, take your time to find the perfect pre-built template that matches your vision. Click on any template to see a preview of how it looks. When you find one that fits your needs perfectly, you're ready to bring it into your page. Click the Insert button on your selected template. Elementor will then import all the sections, widgets, and styling from that template directly into your page. You might need to wait a few seconds while everything loads, especially if it's a template with lots of images and elements. Here's an important final step that many people overlook. Don't forget to save your work. Click the button beside Publish at the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Save as Template. This creates a reusable version of your customized page that you can use again in the future without having to start from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully imported and saved a pre-built template in Elementor, giving yourself a professional foundation to build upon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.